Dear students, look at this question. This is class 10th real numbers chapter and a concept called Euclid's lemma, and we are seeing one of the applications of Euclid's lemma. We have already discussed what is Euclid's lemma in our previous videos. If you want, you can go to our channel and you can refer what is Euclid's lemma, and after that you can watch this video to understand the Euclid's lemma application. Okay, so let us see what is the problem given here. Every positive integer small a will be of the form 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2 for some integer q. Whatever positive integer a you take, that will be of the form either 3q form, either 3q plus 1 form or 3q plus 2 form. For example, if you imagine 23. So now how can we express 23 as a multiple of 3? So 3 into 7. 3 7 is 21, and what is the remainder? 2. So here I get a 3q plus 2 form. So any one of these three forms will be possible for any given positive integer q. For any positive integer a you have taken. Okay, that is what we have to prove. Now let us see. If a be the given positive integer, let small a be the given positive integer and take b as 6. Take b as 3. Take b as 3. Now a is positive integer and b is 3. Applying Euclid's lemma, what can you say? Applying Euclid's lemma, what can you say? You can write a can be written as a into some 3 into q, bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b मतलब यहाँ पे क्या लेना, 3 लेना है, ठीक है ना? Understand? Now r can be 0, r integer है ना, there exists q and r integer such that satisfying this condition, and r is integer from 0 to 3. So therefore if r equal to 0, r can be 0. If r equal to 0, what is the form of a? r equal to 0 implies a takes the form 3q. Okay, अगर आपने r को 1 लिया, r can be 1 also. If r equal to 1 implies, then what is the form of a? Then a will take the form 3q plus 1. So 3q plus 1, and if r equal to 2, what happens? The form of a will become a equal to 3q plus 2. So we can express any positive integer a in any one of these three forms. Not all the three forms. Sometimes it can be 3q form, sometimes it can be 3q plus 1 form, or sometimes it can be 3q plus 2 form. So this is the general thing. So therefore a can be expressed. So a can be expressed in any one of the above three forms. Any one of above three forms. So this is a simple application of Euclid's lemma. I hope you understand. Every positive integer will be of the form either 3q, 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Any one of these three forms will does that a takes. Okay, आपको समझ में आया होगा? जैसे आपने 100 लिया तो इसको हम लिखेंगे क्या? 3 इंटू 33 प्लस 1 आया ना, 3q प्लस 1 फॉर्म में आया ना. कभी कभी 3q प्लस 1 फॉर्म में आता है, कभी 3q प्लस 2 फॉर्म में आता है, और कभी 3q फॉर्म में भी आता है if it is a multiple of 3. So in this way we apply the Euclid's lemma for the given statements to prove. Okay, I hope you understand. In the coming videos we are going to see much more applications of Euclid's lemma. Okay, I hope you understand.